What if the avoidant that you have been chasing all along instead started chasing you and became obsessed with you? Doesn't sound like a dream come true, but this dream came true for her. She made it happen. And it's pretty interesting how she did it. What she means by CH is conversational hypnosis, and we're going to talk about that. We have to understand the very fundamental thing about relationship. A lot of the time, we blame our partners that our partners are behaving as such and they are avoidant and we're chasing them and they are not giving us the love and affection. But we forget a very fundamental fact. That is, who taught us the way to behave in a relationship? Now, we trace it back to our childhood. Now, the very first relationship we develop is with our parents, and the foundation of the future relationship that we develop in our adult life is based upon the dynamics that we had with our parents. Now, when this client signed up, the first place that I took her was in her childhood. Because when she came to me, she was at the brink of a breakup. She was about to dump this guy. She was heartbroken. She was feeling like she's devastated. The more she's chasing him, the more he is avoiding her. Now, this is where I ask you guys to look at your childhood between the ages of 1 to 9. How was your relationship with your parents between the ages of 1 to 9? Was there a parent who was avoidant or whose love you were chasing? Now, in her childhood, her father was pretty strict on her. And as a result of that, she developed a father wound. Now, because of that father wound, she had a habit of chasing her partner to get affection from them. And since her father was an avoidant, she kept attracting guys who were avoidant. But this relationship got pretty serious. And this guy was always avoiding her. Every time she wanted to get more emotionally attached to him, he would start avoiding her. It would become chaotic and the relationship would be on the brink of falling apart. So the very first thing that we did when she enrolled into my 15 days instant healing program is I took her into her subconscious mind to remove her father wound. Now, I don't tell you what to do in your relationships. I take you to a part in your subconscious mind where all the lessons are stored. Your subconscious mind knows what's best for you. And that's exactly what I did with her. I taught her instant healing hypnosis. I teach you instant healing hypnosis so that you can get inside your subconscious mind, locate a trauma, and identify what are the lessons that you need to acknowledge and start practicing so that you can break that pattern. And she did exactly that. However, I also provided her a roadmap which I give to all my clients, which helps them to remove all the blockages from their subconscious mind. So by the end of week 1, all they have is a list of lessons that their subconscious mind revealed to them. Now, their entire part is to practice these lessons on a daily basis in their life. So technically, they are transforming their lifestyle. Practicing these lessons builds up new neurological states. It heals their father wound, mother wound, and all the traits that are not balanced inside their subconscious mind. So she started doing that. And she told me in week number 2 that her partner is starting to behave very different with her. He's no longer avoiding her, and that's when I explained to her the worst thing that you can ever do with an avoidant partner is start chasing them. They are already running. And if you start chasing, they start running even faster. It's a very subconscious thing. If you have an avoidant partner, do not chase them. They are subconsciously conditioned to run from emotional attachment. So if you chase them, they run even faster. So the first thing is stop chasing. And that's exactly what she did. And as a result of practicing her lessons, now her partner was getting more attached to her. He was open for emotional attachment. So if you observe, her behavior prior to healing her father wound was enabling her partner to start running away from emotional attachment. She has a role to play in this relationship dynamic, like we all do. We just fail to realize that we also play a role in how our partner behave around us, or the sort of partners we attract into our reality. Now let's get to the CH part, which is conversational hypnosis, that she claims is the best thing that she learned. And it is one of the most underrated skill that people often do not realize that they learn from a 15 days instant healing program. That is conversational hypnosis. Now, what is conversational hypnosis? Conversational hypnosis teaches you the art of having casual conversation with anyone, and in less than a minute of casual conversation, you are able to connect with their subconscious mind and transfer whatever you are feeling inside, that is your neurological state, inside their subconscious mind. And that's one of the biggest reason I teach conversational hypnosis in week number 2, because in week number 1, we are cleansing the blockages inside your subconscious mind. That is something we do not want your subconscious mind to transmit inside your partner. And that is also one of the biggest reason when you haven't healed, your subconscious mind is consistently transmitting your traumas or how you would like to be treated into other people's subconscious mind. And that's why people treat us the way we have been treating ourselves. So once she learned conversational hypnosis, just like all my other clients, I always recommend my clients more practice so that they get a hold of the technique and they can start using that technique without using conscious intervention. That is, they can just use it like it's a part of their life. So I always tell my clients to practice conversational hypnosis technique once I have taught them on 10 different people. Now, this girl was like, how about I live with my partner? How about I start practicing on him and let's see what happens? And guess what she did? She started using conversational hypnosis on him. Now she is healed. All her father-related traits, which is self-esteem, self-worth, self-confidence, self-respect, and sense of identity, are balanced. And even her mother-related traits, such as empathy, expression of love, nurturing, creativity, and spirituality, all are balanced. So she is very balanced. And these are the neurological states that she is transmitting inside her partner's subconscious mind during conversational hypnosis. And guess what happened? Her partner started opening up more and more to her. She became so influential in the relationship that her partner was like, hey, I am ready to heal myself. I want to heal myself. Now, the best part about my 15 days instant healing program is I'm not making you dependent on me. I'm teaching you all the techniques so that you can operate on your own. You can heal anything that you want to heal and you can heal anyone else. So since she knew all the techniques and all the things that I have taught her, she was able to remove her partner's father wound and mother wound. And as a result of that, they are closer than ever. Their relationship has become heaven. All because she started the healing journey. She became the influencer in the relationship dynamic and she started influencing him. And since she started influencing him and she knew all the techniques, she was also able to heal him. That is the happy ending that I want for you and everyone else as well. This is the magic of your subconscious mind. The moment you heal, your subconscious mind becomes an influencer. You become more self-aware in every kind of interaction and every kind of relationship. And people start treating you exactly the way that you have been treating yourself. And guess what? You have removed all the negative neurological states or trauma from your subconscious mind. So guess what? People are now going to treat you better and in a more loving and harmonious way. Now, what if you have a doubt in your mind that says, what if this wouldn't work for me? So guess what? I have launched my free premium course. Now, in this course, I teach you instant heartbreak healing mastery. And guess what? It's free. It's a 90-minute course And in this 90 minutes, I'm going to teach you a lot of the things about how our subconscious mind works and how you can get inside your subconscious mind and heal your heartbreak in less than 2 to 3 minutes. So I'll leave a link in the description for you to check it out. And for those of you who would be like, hey, I want to join your 15 days instant healing program, the process is quite simple. You have to apply for a free mini therapy session with me. Now, this free mini therapy session is my enrollment process where I assess your subconscious readiness, your subconscious mind map, your subconscious relationship blueprint, and I assess if you are 100% sure that this program is meant for you. Because if you have any kind of doubt, placebo effect will happen and this program might not be for you, or I might not be a good fit for you. So I might refuse your application. Only if I feel convinced during this free mini therapy session that I can promise you the results, I will allow you to enroll into my program, because my program comes with a money back guarantee. That means you either get the results or you get your money back. This is the power of your subconscious mind. I hope her story inspires you and her story gives you an understanding of how we attract relationships into our reality and to fix our relationship pattern or our relationship in itself. We do not need to go into our external reality and apply different approaches. We need to just go inside, look into our subconscious mind, identify our blockages, our relationship patterns, and break them. And once you do that, that's when true magic begins. So I hope this video gives you guys hope. I'll see you guys in the next video. Up until then, stay happy, stay blessed, and keep healing. Bye bye.